always here for a little bit of homemade, healthy versions of my favorite foods that are complete junk. But for real, these are homemade and I'm very excited for this right now because I have been craving fries really badly. Horrible lighting, I apologize. First bite without ketchup. Oh wow, that's solid. I could live on these over grocery store ones. Let's try it with a little bit of ketchup now. Jesus, man. I've made home fries in the past. I've made baked potatoes in the past. I tried fries and they just did not come out well. I've made a bunch of different things with just normal potatoes, but I've never, ever, ever tried wedges and they have freaking rocked this time. Jeez, I'm impressed. That's damn good. Don't let anyone tell you something needs to be unhealthy for it to be good. We got organic potatoes, some olive oil, a little bit of spice, a little bit of ketchup. This is a decent meal right here. Minimal nutritional value, I understand, but all things considered, it's a very, very good and healthier alternative to one of my favorite foods of all time, fries, which is incredibly unhealthy, which makes me really damn sad. My only regret was not trying this sooner and not having even more. That was insane.